In an era where social media anxiety is widespread, we have been searching for a solution that we can intervene instantly, take effort immediately. However, we find it difficult to distance ourselves from social media platforms because we are worried about missing out on real-time information, change, and update. Over time, we have developed unhealthy use habits shaped by the way media is designed. To address this issue, here's a core concept behind my project. We are familiar with 10 minutes rule. When you feel used to pick up your phone, you tell yourself wait other 10 minutes. This simple delay helps the brain calm down from dopamine-driven impulse and reduce dependency on phone. Building this idea, I want to create a system that allows direct three-party intervention, something that helps you stop using your phone while also supporting you in gradually extending the time you stay away from it. So I have always been interested in interaction design, and I began to ask, what if there were an extra pair of eyes that could track your behavior? To develop this project, I used Python and VS Code with programming assistance from tools like Gemini Cloud. Using a negative feedback mechanism, I designed a three-stage system: clown, prompt, and warning. Within this system, there are also two levels of state intervention, incorporating visual element, color, sound, text, and color timing. Now let's look at the system workflow. There are 5 stages: monitoring, trigger, intervention, response, reset. And next is demonstration of system. For sensor input and AI interpretation, I used the YOLO 11 pose estimation model. This model is highly responsive and high weight, making it suitable for real-time use. And the underlying principle is simple. When you sit upright and look forward, the y-axis then between your ears and shoulder is relatively large. When you look down at your phone, your head tilts forward and downward, causing this distance to shrink rapidly. When the distance falls below threshold of 125, the AI determines that you are using your phone. From 0 to 5 seconds of looking down, the system provides gentle intervention with brief prompts and subtle sound. After 5 seconds, the system shifts to force interventions. Once the threshold exists, the interface switches to instant red visual accompanied by looping warning sounds. This closed-loop system helps protect user privacy as no personal data transmits, and it also keeps the computational and monitor load relatively low. So in my design perspective, the ultimate goal is for system to create psychological conditioning effects so that even without running the programs, users naturally reduce their phone use. In the future, I hope to introduce more rewards and penalty mechanisms to design logic like forests. For example, penalties could add once the user enters the red warning stage, the flower will grow, or the stage could also check the frequency of looking down, provide feedback, and offer more precise monitoring and reporting. Combined with informational realization for educational purpose. This project aims to fulfill its original vision, helping people put down their phones. And this is end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.